Ready to uncover the magic behind your vacuum cleaner? Let's dive in. It all starts with a fan inside the vacuum. When you turn it on, the fan spins super fast, creating suction. This suction pulls in air, and with it dirt and dust from your floors. Next, the air, and all that dirt, gets trapped in a filter or a bag. The filter catches the tiny particles, while the bigger bits get caught in the bag. This is what keeps your home clean and the air fresh, but that's not all. Most vacuums have brushes at the bottom. These brushes spin and loosen dirt from carpets and floors, making it easier for the suction to pick everything up. So next time you vacuum, you'll know it's a combo of suction, filters, and brushes working together. And there you have it. The simple science behind vacuum cleaners keeping your space spotless. Keep it clean, folks. See you next time.